Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we have a 2012 Toyota Camry and we're going to go over how you'd replace the reverse tail light or the reverse light. So when you put the car in reverse, there's that white light that lights up to light your way as you go backwards. So to get to it, you need to take these push pins out. Probably got to take 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can do it easily with the 3. I've removed them all. So that way we can just pull this whole cover off. Not completely necessary, but just makes it easy. Then we've got this connector that we need to undo. This one's just a push pin, or push and pull out. Then turn this a quarter turn of the counterclockwise to undo it. Pull the light bulb housing out. And then this bulb here is a 921. And so you would take that out of the housing and get a new 921 as needed, and then just go ahead and plug it back in, and then that's all pushed back together. Then you would just go ahead and put it back up in here, put it in the orientation of the way it came out, which was a quarter to the left of the way it was installed, and then twist it to the right a quarter turn. Go ahead and hook your electric back up, and that's how you replace the light, the reverse light on your Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.